It's okay, buddy. We're just waiting on the weather to break to get him back out there. Beaver head. You. Can't get any closer or he'll lunge at me. Hey, Grace. Baby girl. Go on. There you go. There. Oh, there's another one. Oh, they're good. Hey, baby girl. Hey, baby girl. You. Boy, it's hard to keep him fed when it's, hovering at freezing for days on end because I have to feed them in different shifts. I come out and replace the frozen mice with fresh ones because I don't know when they're going to eat. So it's tough. And there's you, my old man. He says, "Oh, I'm still full of it." Yes, I am. He says, "My birthday's in a week or so. I'll be 28. Yeah. I love you. Ooh, 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 ooh. Hey, you. Tail straight in the air.